tablespoon cooking oil. 1 tablespoon garlic chopped. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. 1 onion finely chopped. Cook until translucent. A half tablespoon all-purpose flour. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. A half cup milk. Stir continuously until thick. A half teaspoon black pepper powder. A half teaspoon red chili flakes. A half teaspoon salt. A half teaspoon oregano and thyme. 2 tablespoon carrot grated. 2 tablespoon capsicum chopped. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. One cup boiled and shredded chicken. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. 2 tablespoon mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Mix well. Add prepared mixture. A 1/4 teaspoon salt. A 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Beat well. Breadcrumbs. Medium heated oil. Fry on medium flame until light golden.